this is Janet from Try It, Like It, Create It, and today I want to show you how in Design Space that you can alter the size of images. So the first thing we want to do is click on the image button and choose an image, and I'm going to put in Merry Christmas to show you exactly what I mean. And I'm just going to scroll down to choose the image I'm looking for, and this is the one I'm looking for right here. And the reason I want to show you this image is because it's originally a rectangle, and you can see that the measurements here are different. I wanted to put this on a glass block, so I needed a square image, and I want to show you how to do that. You're going to click on the lock and unlock the dimensions. You'll notice up at the top that it unlocks that dimension as well. The size I needed for my craft block was 7 inches by 7 inches, and then hit the tab key, and you'll see that the image automatically changes to a square. And then I want to lock it again. I can lock it down here with the blue lock or up at the top of the screen, both done the same way. And now I have that image as a square, and I can cut it out to work on my craft block. Now, not all images will work the same way. Proportions are set for images for obvious reasons. If we look at for coffee here, we can see that something like a coffee mug, if we choose that and we unlock it and change the dimensions so that they're the same as each other, I'm going to hit the tab key. We can see that what we end up with is a very fat coffee cup. So in this case, unless this is a graphic that you like what it looks like, it typically is not the right proportion for a coffee mug. So I wanted to show you the two options and the ways that you can alter images. I hope this helps, and I'd love to see what you make using this technique.